Officers pulled this car over after noticing erratic driving. At first, the driver denied everything, but within minutes, the situation took a turn no one expected. Here's what happened.
Okay. You mind putting your back windows down, bud? Thank you. How many people you got back here? Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Do you have your license, sir?
Yes.
All right. Where are you guys coming from?
My house.
Where's your house at?
It's my house.
What's up?
It's my house.
Yeah, where's your house at? Is she okay?
Yeah, she's just sleeping.
Okay. Where are you going to?
Just dropping them off
Where are you dropping them off at?
at their house.
What house is that?
Their house.
Yeah, do you know where it is?
It's their house.
What town? Red Bank? All three of them?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Drink any alcohol tonight?
No.
None at all?
No.
Smoke any marijuana?
No.
All right, don't lie.
Okay.
How much did you drink tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing at all?
Nope.
Okay, just so you know, this whole thing's being recorded, okay?
I understand that.
All right. So I'm stopping you for a couple of reasons, all right?
Okay.
Mostly your driving is very erratic, all right? You're slowing down, you're going fast, you're weaving in and out of your lane, all right? Did you hit something, or is this previous damage on your car? Was this damage here prior to tonight?
Yes.
There was? Okay. All right. Do you have registration insurance?
I do.
Okay. Can you grab that for me?
Yes.
You guys don't have any open containers or anything, do you?
No.
All right. What about marijuana? You have any marijuana in the car?
No.
Are you smoking it tonight, though?
Nothing.
All right. I do smell it. All right. It's not illegal. You guys at a party somewhere?
No.
No? She just usually sleeps like this and can't be woken up? Yeah? What's her name? You don't know her name?
What's her name?
Hello?
Leslie is my name.
Leslie? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't need EMS or anything, do you?
No.
Okay.
It's my registration.
All right. And you have insurance?
Yes.
All right.
How many seconds?
40, swing back around.
It's my insurance.
All right. Are you going to get sick? Are you going to get sick? You don't have to hold it. Open the door. Open the door for her. She's going to throw up. Oh, she just threw up all over your car. Unlock the door. Buddy, unlock the door so she can throw up outside the car. She threw up all over your car, dude.
She did not.
Christian, right?
Yes.
Christian, unlock the door so she can throw up. She's literally throwing up right now, bud. Christian, just open your door. It's not that hard. You can open the door if you need to.
Are you okay?
Wherever I bank you guys going to. What is it? Montgomery? Alright, is that on the west side of Red Bank? Yeah? Okay. You have somebody that can pick you up? No? Could you call Uber or something like that? Alright. Is she going with you? Okay. I suggest doing that. Alright, it's going to be a few minutes. I got to speak with him, okay? Front seat passenger is throwing up right now. He didn't drink, but his driving was very erratic. Front headlights out. He refuses to answer my questions. I'm going to take him out and test him.
Okay.
Chris, you can turn the car back off. You can turn the car back off. Is she okay?
Yeah,
Is you sure she doesn't need an ambulance to check her out?
she's good. She's
Yeah?
cold, that's why it's in the car, you know? So,
I'm sorry?
she's just cold.
She's cold? That's not why she's throwing up, though. Okay. All right, Christian, can you step out of the car for me? Thank you.
You didn't have to open the car for me, but...
No, I'm trying to help you out.
Okay.
Right to the back of the car, step on the sidewalk for me, okay? Are you guys going to be getting a ride? Are you calling Uber or? Yeah. All right. Okay.
Do you have a party at your house?
No.
No. Okay. Where are you heading to now?
I'm just dropping them off.
Okay. Where do they live?
Their house, you know. I don't know the exact address, but
No. Okay. How'd you get stuck with that?
I'm just trying to get them home, you know.
I got you.
I don't
Okay.
want people on
All right, my body camera's on. By chance, did you consume any alcoholic beverages tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. With that being said, you'd be willing to conduct or allow me to conduct a test of your eyes to ensure that you're safe to operate a motor vehicle and then get you on your way?
I'm safe.
Okay. Well, I'd like to ensure that, okay, if you don't mind.
Everything's good.
Okay.
I ain't nothing wrong.
Yeah, all right. Would you be willing to allow me to...
Pulling over
Because you're what?
Putting the gas.
Okay. He believed, I guess, that, to my understanding, that you were fluctuating your speed between 25 and 40.
Well,
Your driving was erratic, and then obviously you have an issue with your front headlight. I guess your headlight's out?
As of right now, I mean, my front headlight, I can't see nothing, but you know, I wasn't trying to drive fast. I was driving smooth.
Smooth? Okay. And does everybody live to the destination that you're heading to, or are you going to multiple spots?
I'm going to 2 spots.
2? Okay. And what town are they in?
I believe 2 spots. You know, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know what it's going to be. It might be 1 spot, but
Okay.
could be 2 spots. I don't know.
No, I totally understand. How many people are in your car?
3.
3? Okay. All right. And who are they to you?
My brother's friends, you know.
Is your brother with you?
No.
And how old are you?
19.
19? Okay. All right. So with that being said, do you mind just putting your feet together for me? What's your name, Chris? What's your name?
Yours together.
No, together. Christian. Yeah, just like that. All right. Stepping over this way off the crack. Just like that. Put your feet together just like that. Arms down at your side, if you don't mind.
Why am I doing this?
Because I'm just trying to confirm if you have any impairments right now.
You don't have no impairment.
No? Okay.
No.
All right, because your eyes are extremely bloodshot.
I'm go a lot.
I'm sorry?
My eyes are sensitive to bright lights.
Okay.
You don't mind putting that down?
No, I'm just trying to make sure everything's okay, man.
I understand that, but
Do you have epilepsy?
I'm not sure, sir.
You're not sure? Do you need an ambulance?
I do not need an ambulance.
No.
But
Okay.
the bright light is like kind of triggering.
Well, it's not in your eyes right now. I'm pointing at your stomach.
I understand that, but
Okay. All right, just sit
you
tight.
had put it in my eyes. Though.
I'm sorry?
I said you had put it in my
Yeah, I
eyes.
turned it off to the side. All right, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah, so what did you have?
It was operation.
Mm-hmm.
Slurring words.
Yeah.
Droopy eyes, bloodshot.
Are you swaying?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, once we got another car. I do have a faint odor of alcohol. It's masked by all the cigarettes and everything they were smoking. I did
Yeah.
get a faint odor of marijuana in the vehicle as well.
Right.
When I first walked up. But he put most of the windows down before I walked up, so a lot of it dissipated.
Yeah,
But
I mean, you have operation on it. Yeah, off of him, you're saying?
Well, I mean, it could be coming from the car with the open window, but now that we're standing right here, I can smell it.
Okay. I mean, yeah, you could see him standing right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you
Do HGN or he's refusing?
he's refusing to.
Okay.
I mean, I could ask him again.
Okay.
You could just see him standing as he's right now. See how he's swaying?
Yeah. Just fall asleep.
He's falling asleep. Okay. Yeah, you have operation. You can get 41 for
try to
this.
see if he wants to do the test.
Yeah, if you want to conduct it, yes, talk to him.
All right. Christian, so you're not going to allow my sergeant to check your eyes?
Given you said that you have
Right.
concerns about the bright light.
Something's wrong.
I'm sorry?
So, I mean, I don't want the bright light in my eye, you know?
Okay.
That's what it's about,
Okay.
bro.
Would you be willing to perform 2 other tests just so I can verify that you're sober enough to drive?
What test?
They're going to be a walking and balancing tests. They're just measure your balance, make sure that you can
Okay.
balance
I
properly.
could do that.
You can try to do that? Okay.
Yes.
All right.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah, you want me to back up a tiny bit? Yeah, I'll back up.
What do you want me to do?
All right, just stand on the sidewalk for me for 1 second. We're just going to move our vehicles back a couple feet and give us enough space to work, okay? All right, Christian. Come stand over here for me, right in front of my car. I want you to stand right on this white line, okay? All right. What I want you to do first is face me. All right. stand right on this white line right here. Put both of your feet together, just like this, and keep both of your hands down by your side, okay? All right. I'm going to explain the entire test, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you before I ask you to do that. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So the first part of this test is going to test your balance. All right. I'm going to ask you to walk in a straight line, counting your steps out loud. Every step that you take, I want you to make sure that you're touching heel to toe. That means that the heel of your front foot is touching the toe of your back foot. Okay? It's going to look something like this. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. You're going to go all the way to 9. I only did 3, but I want you to go all the way to 9. All right. Once again, the entire time, keeping your hands down by your side. All right. If you step off the line at any point, just regain your balance. Continue walking the straight line. Okay. Before I have you do this, do you have any issues with your feet? Any issues with your knees? No pre-existing injuries or anything like that?
I got a little sore knee, but...
Sore knee?
Stay with them leaving.
I asked him to contact an Uber because they were trying to get over there.
I had hit my knee.
I'm sorry?
I had hit my knee, so
What's wrong with your knee?
it bruised up, but
Bruised up from what?
so I hit it.
How old was the injury?
Maybe like a week and a half.
A week ago? Okay. Did you break anything?
I don't know. I didn't break nothing because, I could walk,
Did you go to the doctor for it? The
I
hospital?
did not go to the doctor.
Okay. All right. So let me explain the test again for you since we went through all of it.
Heel to foot, right?
Heel to foot. All right. So you're going to be starting with your left foot and then your right foot directly in front of it, just like this. Okay.
Counting out loud, right?
Counting out loud, every step that you take, make sure that the heel of your front foot is touching the toe of your back foot, just like this.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Go all the way to 9. Once you get to your 9th step, I want you to take small, choppy steps, and I want you to walk the line back again, 9 steps again. Okay. Counting out loud. 1, 2, 3.
I think that's too much,
You're going to do 9 steps back and 9 steps forward, okay? All right, so 2 series of 9 steps, all the way turning around, do another 9 steps. Do you understand?
I understand.
Do you have any questions about the test?
I kind of feel like that's too much, but,
Well, just 9 steps down and then 9 steps back.
Okay.
Okay? Once again, at any point, if you step off the line, just regain your balance, continue the test. Okay? Do you have any questions about anything?
No.
You understood everything?
Yes.
Okay, you can begin. Once again, I want you to stand on the white line for me. All right, keeping your feet together. All right, this next test is going to test your balance. Okay, it's called the one-legged stand. All right. Once again, I'm going to explain the test and demonstrate it, and then I'll ask you to do it. Okay.
Okay.
The entire time I'm explaining it, I want you to make sure that your feet are staying together and you're standing with your hands down by your side. Okay. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to take either foot, right or left, doesn't matter, whatever you choose. All right. You're going to lift it approximately 6 inches off of the ground in front of you, pointing outwards like so. You're going to stare at your foot the entire time, hands down by your side. I want you to count out loud in this fashion: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. You're going to continue to do that until I tell you to stop. Okay? Once again, at if any point,
Why is everybody coming out?
they called an Uber. They wanted to go home to ride back. Okay?
Yo, you guys got an Uber?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
You guys are good? Make sure she gets home safe. Seriously. Okay. That's your friend. Make sure she gets home safe. She's still here. Alright, but just make sure y'all get that. Y'all get the Uber or no?
Right here.
I can bring you guys home, brother. Everything's good, brother.
All right. Christian, do you remember the test I explained, or do you want me to explain it again? Since we got distracted. I'll explain it again for you. All right.
6 inches, right?
Keeping one foot there, the other foot in front of you, 6 inches off the ground, point it out. Stare at your foot, hands down by your side, counting out loud: 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth. Okay? Until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
How many seconds?
I'm going to tell you when. I'm going to tell you when to stop. All right? So you're going to keep counting until I tell you to stop. Do you have any questions?
No.
You don't? Okay. You can begin.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004.
Make sure you're pointing your foot outwards. Nope, outwards. Outwards like this. Keep your foot 6 inches off the ground. All right, you can stop. All right, take a seat on my bumper for me, okay? Right here, just take a seat. All right, do you know your English alphabet?
Yes.
All right. What's your highest level of education?
I graduated.
High school?
Yes.
Okay. You know your alphabet?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to recite A to Z without singing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, F, M, O, P, X, Y, A, B, C, D, L, F, M, L, O, P.
All right. You're good. Good. All right. Sit tight for me for 1 second. Okay?
Yeah.
I know you're distracted, but
Yep.
use his arms to balance the entire time.
Do you have enough, you think?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
cool.
have his,
All right.
his balance on the what's it sand. Yep. And I'm smelling alcohol. So. All right, Christian, turn around, face the car for me, okay? Spread your hands behind your back. Behind your back. All right.
I'm being arrested.
Yeah, right now you're going to be arrested for driving while intoxicated. Okay, I believe you're under the influence. You got like 16 letters on you.
It's like his with the hip belt and everything.
Yeah, he's got like 3 belts,
Jeez.
4 shirts.
It's just cold outside.
Yeah, I get it, man. I get it.
I got you. All right, but Christian, come on and take a step back here for me, all right? Take me back to my foot. Christian, you all right?
Yeah, the cuffs are kind of tight though. I ain't gonna lie.
All right, I'm going to take you right to headquarters. Best thing is to kind of keep your hands like sit forward a little bit and stick your hands
Why
down.
am I being arrested, bro?
All right, because I believe that you drove your vehicle while you were impaired.
Why do you believe
Okay.
that?
Just based off of the way that you were driving, the operation of the vehicle, and then the few tests that you let me conduct here. Okay. I have your phone, your wallet, and your keys. Is there anything else specifically that you needed?
No.
No. Okay. All right. We're going right to our headquarters here. It's like a minute away. All right. So I'll bring you over there and we'll get you out of those handcuffs. Headquarters transporting the 41 to headquarters. Their mileage is 9775. 9775. It's going to be towed.
It's gonna be towed?
Yeah, they're going to tow it. They'll hold it for 12 hours and then you can pick it up.
What happened to the call to my mom, bro?
I'm going to let you call her as soon as we get back to our headquarters.
Come on, don't make them tow my shit.
That-
You can pick it up.
I have to.
Go make it pick my car up, man.
Good. Step up.
The driver was arrested and charged with multiple offenses, including driving under the influence and careless driving. What are your thoughts on this incident? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more real body cam breakdowns.